Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to receive latest videos through notification. In this video, you will learn the differences between object and class in Java. First, let me define what is object and what is class. First, let me define what is an object. Object is an entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. For example, chair, bike, pen, table, car, etc. It can be physical or logical. For example, pen is an object. Its name is Reynolds, color is white. These are all known its state. It is used to write, so writing is its behavior. So an object is an instance of a class. A class is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So an object is the instance of a class. So we can give multiple definitions of an object. We can say like an object is a real world entity, an object is a runtime entity, an object is an entity which has states and behavior. The object is an instance of a class. Then what is class? A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So we can call this, it is a logical entity. It cannot be physical. Now let's see some differences between object and class. First point, the first difference is object is an instance of a class, whereas class is a blueprint or template from which objects are created. The second difference is object is a real world entity such as pen, laptop, mobile, bed, keyboard, mouse, chair, etc. Whereas class is a group of similar objects. The third difference is object is a physical entity. Whereas class is a logical entity. The fourth difference is object is created through new keyword mainly. For example, student S1 equal to new student. Whereas class is declared using class keyword. For example, class student. The fifth difference is object is created many times as per requirement, whereas class is declared only once. The sixth difference is object allocates memory when it is required, whereas class does not allocate memory when it is created. The last difference is there are many ways to create object in Java, such as new keyword, new instance, clone method, factory method, and deserialization. Whereas there is only one way to define class in Java using class keyword. So let's see some real life example of class and object in Java. Suppose class is a human, then what are the object? Man and woman. Suppose class is a fruit, then what are the objects? Apple, banana, mango, guava, etc. Suppose class is a mobile phone, then what are the object of mobile phone? iPhone, Samsung, Moto. For example, class is a food, then what are the object of food? Pizza, burger, samosa, etc. So that's it. Some of the major differences between object and class. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.